We got our trunk or treat coming up. Let's give you a little sneak peek of what we got going on here. Over here we have this 2019 Corvette Stingray. This came in for a full Expel paint protection wrap, and then it's gonna follow up with a ceramic coating. Max has it outside, he's checking everything out, he's getting ready to pull it in and actually start the PPF, and then he'll hand it over to Caleb for ceramic. We have our friend Russ's Ford Raptor here. Something's going on with the Raptor. The ceramic coating's acting the way it's supposed to, but it doesn't feel smooth, so we're gonna try to get it in here, wash and clay bar it, see if there's anything that's just being stubborn and sticking to the paint to get it off there to get it back to rust before the weekend. Then coming around to the front, we got this 1991 Corvette ZR1. You don't see them like this anymore. This has 10,000 original miles. It's almost a full wrap. We did the full front, pieces on the doors, quarter panel, and the back bumper. And this is also waiting for a ceramic coating. We should have this done by the end of the week. Over in the paint protection bay, we have this awesome Sonic Blue Colorado. This got a track package, which would be the full front end in paint protection film. And then the track has the rockers that go the whole way along the side, the whole way back to the back bumper. The track package is your best package for all your high impact areas for your daily driver. This is a Dodge Rumblebee that got totally redone, repainted everything. They had the bed off of it, repainted the frame. Everything is done on this. And we're doing a track package on this as well. We are doing the Rumblebee vinyl. We did a little bit on the sides there already. We're waiting for a back piece to come in to do the back Rumblebee badge. And then it's gonna go over to Caleb for a ceramic coating, 8-year. The RAV4 still in the ceramic bay. Caleb has it up on the jacks. He's doing the wheels. We take the wheels off, do the inside barrel of the wheels and the brake calipers as well to just help you with easy cleaning. And behind John, we have this huge, big black F-350. I really wish we had some after pictures to show you, before pictures to show you guys. This came in with the paint a little beat up. I think it was a work truck before. We got it in here, got about 10 to 12 hours of just polishing all the paint, making that black paint just shine like a showroom finish. And then we ceramic coated it with an 8-year Fusion premium coating. Then in the wash bay is just a Toyota 4Runner. We're just doing an annual checkup on that. Anybody that has a ceramic coating, we have you come in once a year where we just check everything out. We'll wash, clay, iron decon bath the whole thing and add a ceramic booster to it to just keep you good and shining through the year. Then last but not least, the absolute best person Blackout Tinting has is our boy Terrell. He's over in the tint bay today throwing some tint down on this 2025 Honda Civic just to keep it a little more private on the inside and making the customer look cool. That's all we got here at the LATROBE shop. Let's see what the other shops got going on today.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is a Porsche Carrera from our friends at Classic Automotive. This had full windshield tint, and we took it off that way it can pass inspection and the customer can see clearly at night. Next up is a Porsche Cayenne from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This got a full vehicle wrap. Bumper-to-bumper protection and our 8mm thick Ultimate Plus film. Next up, we have a Mazda CX-5. This was in the shop about 2 weeks ago for some paint protection film and coating. It is back in the shop today for its 2-week inspection, and we're also adding on door edge guards. Next up is another vehicle from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This is in for a full polish and 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have Ian and Cole working on this 2017 Honda Civic. This is getting XR 5% tint on all the side windows and the back window. Next up for some paint protection film is a work truck from our friends at IBS Builds. This is getting some miscellaneous areas, including a partial front, top of the bed sides, top of the tailgate, door cups, and door sills. In the back getting prepped is a Tesla Cybertruck. This Cybertruck will soon be gloss black, thanks to our Ultimate Plus black paint protection film. We're also doing an 8-year Fusion Plus premium coating on the vehicle. And as you can see, we did tint the front 2 windows to match the factory tint. In the showroom is a Porsche 911. This one was in for some paint protection film on the entire front bumper and lower sides, so our track package. We also did a full polish and 4-year coating on the entire vehicle. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's up, guys? Check out our South Florida store. So you just missed the project of the week. It was a G-Wagon. We did a full stealth wrap, ceramic coating and window tint on, but we have a couple here, so check them out. Over here we have a Tesla, and you can see that it is white and black. We are currently vinyl wrapping this. This customer decided to do the door jambs as well. So white to black conversion is extremely challenging. It's underway. We are taking a little bit of a pause because of this hurricane, so this is gonna get done towards the end of the week. Then over here we have Alfredo's very clean 4Runner, and the reason it's in the bay right now is because we were just playing with this. All of our appointments canceled because of the hurricane, and we got a new lift set up, so we're gonna be playing around with this thing a little bit. We were just doing some training and practice with this. So not a whole lot going on right now because we are a couple of hours away from the hurricane.
That's all we have here this week. We'll check you out next week. Remember, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.